Ladies and gentlemen, the call for a Sanatan board is only growing louder. Now, the Sanatan Nyas Foundation is hosting the much anticipated Sanatan Dharma Sansad following the enthusiastic inauguration of the Sanatan Yatra. Foundation President Devkinandan Thakur has urged followers of Sanatan Dharma to come together and reaffirm their dedication to the faith. Now, that's the latest coming in from the national capital, where the Dharma Sansad is currently underway. There you see Devkinandan Thakur, a spiritual guru who is leading this Dharma Sansad, is addressing the people. He is calling for a Sanatan board, and this is not just against the demand of a Waqf board, but also to protect several rights of Hindus. Remember, all of this also comes on the sidelines when Hindus are being targeted in Bangladesh, after targeted attempts of Hindus in Bangladesh, after calls of ban on ISKCON in Bangladesh. This is where the chorus of a Sanatan board has come to fore. We have Gopi joining us live from the national capital. Gopi, I believe you're there on the spot where the Dharma Sansad is being held. Walk us through what's happening there.
Well, in fact, Tanisha, good afternoon to the viewers. We are standing right here where the Sanatan Dharma Sansad is happening, while Shankaracharya Saraswati Ji Maharaj is also in the attendance. Just a short while back, Devkinandan Thakur Ji had addressed the gathering, raising four important demands against for the Sanatan Dharma Sansad. The first one primary being that there are 4 lakh temples in India and they are under the control of government body. While he has raised a question that 6 have Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee while Muslims have Waqf board, why don't we have a Sanatan board for Hindu temples? So this is one of the primary demand which has been raised by this particular Sansad, at this Sansad. The second one being they are demanding the final verdict of Krishna Janmabhoomi. They want a huge, humongous temple to be made of Krishna in Mathura, like what had happened in Ayodhya, where the Ram Mandir temple was, in fact, is made. The third demand was there was a strong discussion about the Tirupati Prasadam, where animal fat was found in Prasadam, while they have raised call to just bring and punish the people who are involved in this Prasadam controversy, to in fact arrest the culprits of this controversy. While also the fourth demand which was raised was that Hindu girls should be encouraged to marry only within the Hindu family setup and not elsewhere, targeting the change in demography that we are seeing in various states of India, as well as commenting on love jihad. So these are the exact calls from the Sanatan Dharma Hindu Sabha, which is happening here in Delhi and which is going to go on till 23rd. Back to you, Tanisha.
Right, Gopi, keep speaking to us, because what we do understand right now is Devkinandan Thakur, spiritual guru, is right now addressing the media. He is pressing the demand for a dharma of a Sanatan board, and this is, like you were saying, this is not just against the Waqf board, but there are several other reasons. Number one, when it comes to the Tirupati adulteration Laddu case, which we saw, talk us through what the demand of these seers are.
Well, in fact, Tanisha, as I've just said, I'll reiterate that these saints here, the saints present here on the stage, I would ask my cameraman to just show. We have Shankaracharya also in attendance. All of them are raising their voice against 2 important issues. One, they are strongly hurt, their sentiments are hurt after what had happened in Tirupati Prasadam, where animal fat was found, while they are still waiting for the Krishna Janmabhoomi verdict. So they are raising their voice. In fact, to look at the larger perspective, we know that they have been raising similar kind of demands for 4 lakh temples which are present in the whole of India, where they are again reiterating the fact that if 6 can have Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, while other religions have their own committees, why don't we have a Sanatan board for Hindu temples? Back to you.
Right, Gopi. Thank you for sharing us all those updates. Gopi, my colleague there, joining us live from the Dharm Sansad venue that is being held. We'll keep tracking all the live updates where the chorus for Sanatan Board is only growing louder. We'll get you all that update and much more right after a very short break.